With these balloons, I'll tell you Newton's third law.
With balloons? Great, Bob!
Joe, according to Newton's third law, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, take these air-filled balloons and fix them in between two stands like this with the help of a straw and tie them to a thread. Let's see what happens if we release the mouth of the balloon.
Hey, superb, Bob! But why it moved in opposite direction?
Joe, when the balloon mouth is opened, the air in it comes out with a force and pushes the balloon in opposite direction. Here, the action is in one direction and the reaction is in another direction. This is Newton's third law.
Hey, so simple, Bob!
Joe, I have another example. Look at this rocket.
Hey, I know this! This is a Diwali cracker, but I don't know how it works.
Joe, this works with chemicals like gunpowder. When we lighten, it rushes out into air and moves in upward direction. This is the reaction for its action. Rockets, jet engines work on this Newton's third law. Not only this, Joe, for every action, there will be an equal and opposite reaction that we perform in our day-to-day life. I will explain with a beautiful song.
The universe likes to interact. You can't touch it without it touching you back. The universe likes to interact. You can't touch it without it touching you back. So do unto others as you want them to do to you. You can't touch them without them touching you back. Newton was no fool. His third law is a golden rule. To every force and action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. To every force and action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. To every force and action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. To every force and action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Bat hits ball, ball hits bat. Boxer whaps bag, bag whaps boxer back. Hand pushes on wall, wall pushes on hand. Man pulls on spring, spring pulls on man. Earth pulls on rock, rock pulls earth back. Rocket pushes gas, gas pushes rocket back. Head bumps ball, ball bumps head. Car hits bug, bug hits car, bug is dead. To every force and action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. To every force and action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. To every force and action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The universe likes to interact. You can't touch it without it touching you back. So do unto others as you want them to do to you. You can't touch them without them touching touching you back. You can't touch without being touched.
Wow! Excellent, Bob! Now I understood this Newton's law very easily. Thanks a lot, Bob.
You're welcome, my dear.